guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am showing you guys the process I had. Got back blonde. I did this all yesterday, y'all. 4 rounds of bleaching. I was gonna do 2 yesterday and then 2 today, but I was like no, because I just wanted to go and get it over with, y'all. But this is what it turned out. Let me do a full turn. This is it. Ignore the burn mark, y'all. That's not from my bleaching. That's from a hot comb a long time ago, and it just don't go away. But I absolutely love how it looks. Like, this is so cute, and it was darker right here. Like, I feel like this grew out so fast, so I was really trying to bleach it so I can get this to match everything. But it turned out perfectly. So I was that a sentence? It turned out perfect. I don't know why I said perfectly. So the I used I just bought a bucket of bleach, and I didn't even use all of it, obviously. I only used the 20 developer. They was all out of 30. I was gonna do 30 then 20 or 20 then 30, but I only used 20 for all the show, and it got really bright. I feel like if I do it again, it'll be really, really white, which is what I want, but my hair needs to relax. So I'm also natural, so I got my little natural curls going on, y'all. So I absolutely love how it turned out. Let me get close to the camera, and this is it, and you guys will see the full process. I did every round on camera, talked about it, and just talking about life itself. Also, y'all, I'm trying to fix so much stuff for my school. So I'm like, do I need to go and drop out to become a van lifer? Because, y'all, so many plans. I'm just so tired and stressed out from school, and this should not be like this. So I'm trying to fix so much stuff. Anyways, let me start rambling now. I'm going to go and get into this video. I will be finally doing my hair, y'all. I'm going to be bleaching this stuff a couple of times, and we will see the results. So y'all see, it's so dark right here. My roots done fully run, like they're back in. We cannot have this. I already cut my hair the other day, so I should be good for a while. I am finna bleach this head, y'all. I hate this. Like, this is so crazy. The fact that it grew out like so fast. I used the 20 developer, y'all. I was trying to get 30. I wanted the 30 and the 20 because that's what I always do now. But they said they're all out, so that was like no 30, not even a small bottle. So that's all I had. I had to just get 20. Work with what you got. It'll just have to I have to do it more. So let's just start, and while I talk about my life, y'all. The fact that I graduated in 3 semesters, it sounds like it's such a long time, but it's really not. You got to think about it when you like thinking about graduate school, which is why I actually need a towel over my shirt. I came up with a new solution that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a semester off when I graduate before I go to grad school, because where I want to go, I want to kind of move there first. So I plan to move there when I graduate, the place I want to go to, and then I'll go to graduate school. I just think so I don't have to rush, because think about it. If I graduate in the spring and then I trying to go to school in the fall, and you got to think about, I'm so stupid. You got to think about housing and stuff like that, y'all. So I'm going to wait a semester before I actually go to graduate school. This is just give me time to figure out what I actually want to do, even though I know what I want to do. But I'm going to go to grad school. Just know that. But I want to work in like museums and stuff, y'all. So I'm going to figure it out. It's going to be okay. But yeah, I had like a panic attack, and I was just like, oh my God, what am I going to do? It happens. You know, that's just typical. I'm finna just use out my hand. I got gloves on, y'all. But it happens, you know, when you're thinking about your life when it's coming toward, I'm about to say toward the end, but I'm not dying. But it's just so scary. You'd be like, what do you really want to do with your life? And I'm on here. Is it weird? I feel like watching Halloween. Y'all love Michael Myers. I feel like watching Halloween. I'm gonna leave this on for like 40 minutes. And we will see what this looks like. So I am gonna let this sit on here. Okay, guys, so this is my hair after I bleached it the first time. Still got to get the edges right here, so I tried to put grease on on the outside so I don't cover that. That is, just ignore that, y'all. I got burned from a hot comb. I told that story before. So my hair is kind of itching, so I'm trying to put nothing on it right now. I'm gonna let it cool for a second. But I got the black. As y'all see, it's like brown now because of the black. So we're gonna do this again. I have the same, which is the 20, because they have no 30, so I'm only using 20 out, okay? Hey guys, so I finished, my hair is done cooling off for a little bit. Now this is after the second round. We are almost there. We are at our gold stage. Now it's darker gold right here because my hair was more black right here, which I don't understand either. Maybe it's because, and I feel like I'm like tongue talking, but it's because my tooth, y'all. I'm trying to be careful. But I think it's because it was probably the first part I bleached, and I don't know. I'm trying to make up a story. But I have my new concoction that we're going to do this twice, y'all. My hair has cooled down. The itching has stopped. I already greased my hair. Let's go. We're going to start with the, well, I guess where I put it. I need to do more of my edges again. I got them. I got them the second time, y'all, but I got to do it again. Trying to make sure I get my widow's peak. You can really tell when you bleach it up if you got your corners or not, because your hair, like your edges are black, so you can see it perfectly. So I'm going to do my edges first. I'm so happy I'm doing this. So it's like back at it again. Hey guys, so I just finished this. It's getting there. We are legit almost there. So y'all, it is brighter off camera. I really need y'all, like, it's like lighter off camera. But this isn't it. I'm about to bleach it again. This is the fourth round. I'm trying to see, I really don't want to do this again. But I feel like I might have to do it one more time. We'll see how this go after this. 5 rounds of bleaching, 4 rounds, whichever, but I'm almost there, y'all, with this color. This stuff, I'm like, I let it sit another hour before, well, I let it sit for like 30 minutes before I did this. And I already greased my edges so I don't let them things burn my outside of my skin. So I'm gonna use the rest of this. Well, actually, I might not have to because it's a lot in here and I don't need all this. So yeah, that's enough. Round 4. I'm actually gonna I don't think I'm gonna let this sit on that long because actually I do because I was brighter. I'm gonna do 35 minutes. I'm gonna do 35 minutes. That's still long, but I need my hair bright. And it's going like the platinum blonde, which is what I want. So I am going to let this sit, y'all, for 35 minutes. And I just bit my tongue. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for 35 minutes and I'll be back once I wash it out after that, y'all. So I'll see y'all soon. Okay, y'all, so I finally finished. Oh my God, this is like, it's so pretty. It's perfect. I'm back. No more black. Oh my God, no more black roots until I gotta do it again. Cause I feel like I'm going to bleach it again before I leave. I just got that feeling cause the roots grow in. So my head is itching there, y'all. I can breathe. I just got through washing it. I used my purple shampoo, and I just got the conditioner yet, so I am ready to go. I'm gonna let this stuff sit overnight, let my hair breathe tonight. I'm gonna let my hair breathe. I'm gonna put a do-rag over it, and I will show you guys, and I'll style it in the morning. Y'all, I'm gonna do a look tomorrow. Well, I got another video planned, but y'all will see. I'll talk about my hair in the morning. So yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna let this sit overnight, y'all. And you guys, I will see you guys in the morning. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm doing more like, I wanted to show the whole process because a lot of people might not know how to get the color blonde. When I first started my hair, it was dark. Like, the blonde journey has not been easy for me, y'all. I just didn't know it was this much bleaching involved, but it's because your roots grow back so fast. So my roots most likely gonna start back growing tomorrow, and I ain't got time for this. So that's the only thing with blonde hair. You gotta keep it up and, you know, just continue bleaching it. Unfortunately, that's the truth. That's all you can do because your roots just gonna keep growing. But I like how it look when it's like a little dark, but I let it get really far with the darkness. But when you see through the video, when I first bleached it, it went brown because, you know, that's what happens. There are steps to it. It's not going to be like really bright immediately, and then it goes to like yellow, and then it goes to like a little blonde. Then you just got to keep it going until what you like. And after 4 rounds, this is what I got. I think 5 rounds will be even better, but I'm gonna stick with this for a while because this is so my color, y'all. I did not think I was gonna be living blonde like this. My mom wears blonde hair. I don't wear blonde hair. I'm a more red person, but I love this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I will see you guys in the next video.